today we're going to open our
And
and
this was the first one.
yeah.
That was
We got
the
Labubu.
She gave it to me and my sister.
We got two.
Yes.
So-
From the nurse.
They gave it to us. I don't know why though.
Yeah.
There's a secret. I hope we get the secret.
I
Yeah, I don't
really
need to show
want love.
Wait, I really want Hope or Lucky. Cause maybe
Lucky man?
Cause maybe it will give me good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. So let's
I don't have to open it.
You open that one, I'll open the inside. But let me see if this is a Labubu or a Labubu. Alright, this is a... Yep, it's a Labubu. Yay! Baby kitten and a
Let's see what we got.
Ah, it's so wild. Boom.
I'll open the inside.
Yeah.
Wait.
Can I open the inside?
Oh!
It comes in a bag. That's really cute. Can I open this?
Wait, I think I know.
Wait.
Wait, oh, there's a little boo.
Wait,
Oh,
let's see
this
what
time it's hard.
Joey, you're so lucky. You got the one you wanted. Wait, let's see.
Wait, it's so pretty, that thing.
Look.
Let me show you the card. Let me show you the
You're so
back.
cute. You're so lucky. You got the one you wanted.
Yay! So soft.
Show it.
It also comes with a pink keychain. So cute, but I think it's kind of red.
Now you have Baba.
But this was my smaller.
Yeah, because it's sitting down. So cute. So cute.
Hi. I'll have another one there.
Like and subscribe if you want to open part 2.
Yeah.
Part 2.
When we got the same one.
Part 2.